Valedictorian Irene Grace will be awarded with a gold medal and gold medals for the following awards: Best in Deportment, Best in Language, Best in Mathematics, Best in Science, and other gold medals for being our Best in Filipino, Best in Reading, English category. Congratulations for an excellent job. Irene Grace will also receive a certificate of merit for her outstanding performance during our Tagilisan ng Talino 2008.
Ayaw nang bumabaan.
Wait lang.
Borja Angeli Gabriel I. Angeli Gabriel is our second honorable mention. Angeli will be awarded with a bronze medal and a gold medal. Gentlemen, I am very happy to present to you for her valedictory address our class valedictorian from Kinder 1 NOAA, Irene Grace C. Bacani.
To our teachers, thank you for being our second parent in school. Thank you especially for teaching our ABCs and 1, 2, 3. Today, as we receive our diplomas, we promise to always remember teaching our best in everything we do. Thank you.
Congratulations, Irene Grace Bacani. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our graduates from Nursery Tweety. With class advisor, yours truly, Teacher Mel. Our Nursery Tweety graduates and